Yo guys, what's up? Sasquatch Gaming here, back with TheLongDark, and as you can see, I've just been waiting until the sun's starting to come on the rise, and we're more dehydrated than we were, which, not a huge surprise there. But I've made a decision. We are going to wait till the sun comes up a little more, because look how cold that is. 3 down arrows. But I've decided we're going to go that way, because that little forest area, I think, was near a place called the Forestry Lookout, because that wasn't the lodging camp. That's farther that way, I think. So we're gonna go that way and see if we can find a forestry lookout. But actually, I'm gonna start a fire right here, because the wind doesn't seem to be that bad. Let's start it with a tinder plug. Start fire. Alright, so this is mainly for water, so we can not die of dehydration. That'd be really nice. Oh, it's gonna start. It's gonna start. It's gonna start. What are you worried about? It is gonna start. Look at that. Look at that. Excellent. We can add these 2 things of fuel, make that hotter. Boom. We got all the things. Now let's do water. We have an hour, 28 minutes. Let's cook that. In fact, we have another recycled can. Let's do that. We'll make a lot of water here. Now, I don't think wolves like fire, so we should be safe here. And we're protected from the wind here, it looks like. That little shield up at the top shows we're protected from the wind. So if we went over here, how it disappeared, but if we go over here, it comes back. So yeah, looks like we're pretty protected from the wind here. We got our poor friend over here. Pick up these feathers. These weigh almost nothing. Let's go pick up the stick. Always pick up sticks. We are those little pigs. Hey, there's 2 corpses out here. The guy just come find me in the middle of the night and just left me to die? Whoa, what was that? Was that a revolver cartridge? There's revolvers in this game now? Let me look at that. It would be down here, wouldn't it? Yeah. Wow. There's only 1 bullet in there. Well, that's why we are...
Looks like I made it through another room.
Actually, you know what? How much time we got in the fire? An hour or 2. Let's do some more water in here. 19 minutes. We're gonna have all the water. And the sun's on the rise, so probably shouldn't put in all of that, but you know. My stomach's growling too, so Condensed milk. Now this stuff's got some calories. You know, let's drink it. Let's drink it. That'll give us many calories and that'll fill us up. Alright. We will pick up that and we will wait on this to be ready. And we will take that as well. So, how much water do we have now? We have, right here, 1.5 liters of drinkable water, but we're running low on food. We got about 500 calories of food left. We need some wood so we can break down some stuff later. But honestly, let's take this. We don't need to add anything fuel-wise. So, sounds like someone's mowing their lawn out there. Crazy kids. Alright, so we're gonna go that way. And it's snowing. Wonderful. I hate when the music starts. It scares me. Because they say it's random, right? It's a random encounter of music. Oh, lordy. Today's a good day to stay inside, but we gotta go. Because we are out of food. So, well, let's just see if I'm wearing everything I have. If I change this, so it gives me better temperature but worse wind chill. Let's wear that instead. We have one pair of pants, one pair of long underwear. Yeah, we're wearing all we got at this point. So, well, let's go. We gotta be quick. Else we'll end up like those guys, lying on the ground in the frozen darkness. Let's pick up the stick. I know. You know what? Let's try to hit a rabbit. If we don't hit it first try, we can. Alright, we gotta go. Bye, little cabin. Oh my goodness. Are we still crouched? No. Wow, it's cold. Wowzers. Wow, wow, wow. And that was us protected from the wind. Now it's even worse. Oh my goodness. There it is. There's the lumberyard thing. And that should be the hill of the lookout. So yep, there it is. There's the lookout tower. So, I think, is there an entrance over here? I think so. But man, do we have to go. It is freezing. There we are. Here's the entrance to it. Let's move. I know, man. I can't imagine what it would be like to be out here. But we got plenty of water. We need some food though. Which, hopefully there will be food up here. If there's not, well, we will have to go down to find some rabbits.
Dark damn freezing.
Wait, hey, language. Language. We are running a family-friendly show over here. I don't need your language about the cold to ruin that for me, okay? We need to get monetized, people. Nobody's watching my videos. I got 19 views, alright? But that's on all my videos combined. My highest views is like 4 views. Oh, I thought that was a cross. I thought someone died here. Oh man. We're almost up. There it is, right there. All we can hope for is that there's not a bear up here. If there's a bear up here, we're dead anyway. Let me pick these up, actually. Alright, there we go. There it is. There we are. I feel like the farther we up, the colder it gets. Uh-oh. Well, this is not what I was expecting. Yeah, that's food, buddy. Destroyed lookout. This is not what I was hoping for. Pinnacle peaches. We got some reclaimed wood.
Hope nobody needs this anymore.
I'm probably gonna put the fire in here if I can. Looks like the guy was reading before he bit the dust, eh? Well, at least there's plenty of firewood over here.
Just keep the lamp burning.
Everflame. What a nice name. You can't jump. So I think that's as high as you can go. Maybe. You could probably go higher at some place. But campfire burned out. I understand that. I'm burned out too. Okay. What is that? That's a tower that we don't want to climb. Well, this was really disappointing. The fact that it's destroyed. It probably is always destroyed, and I'm thinking about the other one. This is a supply bin. Why didn't I open this?
This stuff will come in handy.
Rope. Spray paint. I think that's part of the navigation thing. Let me get in here. Okay. Oh my goodness. Let's put that there. I'm standing on the fire. So, you know what? Let's not use our accelerator. Oh, it's cold. It's cold and icy and.
Come on.
Yeah, that didn't work.
Hey, I'm so cold. I'm warming up again.
Oh, please don't do that.
Thank goodness for that.
Yeah, I know. Let's put in some sticks. Warm it up. Sticking my head through the window. Alright. Well, hopefully this brutal wind stops. Because, man, it's cold. Let's have some hot peaches. Yummy, yummy hot peaches. Well, we found the lookout today. The destroyed lookout. So, now, I'm pretty sure I know where we're at. See, to that direction there is the actual logging camp that'll bring us to the derailment and then hydro dam that way. The trapper's cabin is to that cabin and that way. So about that direction is the trapper's cabin. And Mystery Lake camp office is probably in that general direction, because the railroad tracks are not far away from here. That's what we want right over there. You see that? Right in the middle of the screen. There is that tower, that lookout over there. That's what I wanted. But no, we get this one. Please be done. I gotta warm up. I wonder if they still do the bonuses. The warming up benefit. Yeah, there we go. That's nice. Alright. How cold is it now? Still 3 down. But let's take inventory here. Let me crouch closer to the fire. Okay, we've got painkillers. We only got 1 bandage and antibiotics. Water purification. Guess we could use that. We have some more wood if we need to stay here for a while. Oh, we don't have a sewing kit though. Oh yeah, we do. Repair with what though? Do you need those anymore? Decent work boots. Not bad, not bad. MRE. Thought the other one had a lot of calories. Man. That is a lot of calories. We got this. We are getting up in our... Why do we have lantern fuel? This. Why do we need this? We'll probably need it for some reason. But awesome. No longer at risk of hypothermia. That is always a good sign. Probably don't need so many cans either, really. Let's use the pot and make some more water. I mean, when you got the time. It is freezing. I want to go to that lookout, but I'm not sure how far away that is. Doesn't look so far away from up here, but that's probably halfway across the map. I should have waited to eat those afflictions. What, frostbite? Yeah, I don't have... Am I still... Is it going up? I didn't check. Okay. Protecting me from the cold. This should probably be going down. But, yeah, I've already lost a good chunk. What I need is the well-fed benefit. Which, I think it's a few days of not being dehydrated or starving. And then you get a little extra benefit of a little extra chunk of health. That'll, you know, help you through things. The fact that I'm only going up in temperature by 1 and it is so cold outside is a testament to how cold it is. It's not even midday yet, so the weather could change. I don't know if I could make it to the trapper's cabin without freezing. I might freeze. We'll wait till this fire's done, and then we'll book it over there. Mystery Lake is probably closer, but I don't know. We were hoping for the rifle up here or something, maybe. Maybe not. Now that I'm at the lookout, I don't think I would have wanted the rifle. But yeah, my clothing has seen better days. Well, that's going out, folks. Ready to go? Because it ain't gonna matter here in 1 minute. Let's go. Here we go. I don't think we have to go all the way down. I think there's a little gap in the fence over here. It has a pathway down. Wonder why that lookout was destroyed. Yeah, I think over here I can go down. But then again, I've been wrong before. Oh, don't yawn, you're freezing to death. Yeah, I can't go down here. Looks like we have to go all the way. Or at least make it back to the cabin we were at before. Because all that time spent up there warming up, all of a sudden, I'm freezing again. Let's go this way, actually. We can hit the Trapper's homestead another time. Let's see if we can get to the logging camp. Maybe that's closer? Clear cut. Yeah, well, your fingers are exposed, darling. Okay. We don't have any gloves for you. There's a logging camp over there. I believe there is some little trailer home kind of things over here. Or at least I could stop at the derailment. Maybe I'll go to the Carter Hydro Dam before I head to the lake office. The lake office is kind of my home base area that I strike out everywhere else from. I don't know why, it just seems like a nice middle of the line kind of area. It's got a fireplace, it's home sweet home, you can fish across the lake.
Damn, freezing.
Hey, what have I said about language? Language. These kids nowadays. But I guess if I was freezing to death in the cold, I don't think I would really care about my language so much. But stopping us from getting monetized over here. No wolves, no wolves, no wolves. There's a deer. Hey, get the deer, not me, wolves. Okay? Logging camp. That is very nice to see. Alright. Orange soda. Old bedroll. Oh. Cannot pick that up. Thin wool sweater. Marine flare. I wonder what's the difference between a regular flare and a marine flare. Does it burn underwater? There's a can opener. That's nice. They really clean these places out good, don't they? Flashlight.
Here.
That ain't gonna work unless it's an aurora. Tough but not warm. Maybe we can break those down. I know you're tired. Oh, that's what we want right there. Okay. Let us... Can spray paint leave signs, markers on the environment? So yeah, that's pretty cool, guys. Actions, I want to harvest these. An hour and 30 minutes to harvest them. But we'll be warming up. Okay, let us put on this. Let us put this on. And that is all we picked up there. Let us head to the next building. I think we got everything here. Let's get the piece of cloth. Always search under things. It's what I've learned. Because they will always hide small little things in places that you think would be obvious to hide things, but nobody checks. Or at least I didn't check for the longest time. Alright. Let's run across to here. Open that up. Okay. What have we here? We have a sport vest, another one. Summit soda. I think Summit's kind of like a Sprite or a 7-Up, you know?
Excellent.
Stacy's grape soda, jerry can. Dang, that's heavy. Okay. Okay, think we good over here. We got some accelerants. Storm lantern, that's what we want.
Feels like something is sapping my energy.
Well, I would say that the cold is doing a great job of that. But let us do some inventory work here. Really, I'm not seeing what we need this rope for right now. Ding, ding, ding. 5 stones. Let's just drop all of those. I'm at 29 kg. I don't want to drop the whole jerry can, but really it's what we have to do. Let's drink this. Can probably actually drink a couple of these because he's got calories and that. So you know what? I'll take the jerry can just because I know we're gonna need it later. I can put it in my home base. It'll be my homeboy. Alright, what's in here? A dead guy. That's what's in here.
Too heavy.
Fire log. Let's leave them. Leave those there. See, why would you stay out here? That's the wall. Rose hips. That's a painkiller, I believe. Why would you stay out here on there's trailers here? I don't know. This is the one I'm probably going to stay in tonight. You really couldn't use that. I know I keep picking up everything, but I will leave it by the door So next time I come down here, I will know it's exactly by the door. I won't have to search in some obscure, obscure like container somewhere to try to figure out, you know, where it is or what it is, or that's what I want. Fishing tackle. That is what we all needed in life right there. Search drawer. Nothing in the drawer. And dog food. Perfect. Alright, so we're warming up. We're gonna need to take a nap here soon. We've been running a lot today. We will save this stuff for later. I will start repairing some things. I will drop some things. But so my hotkey to get to my clothing is C for clothing. It gives me this little thing here. I can click that. I can click actions and then repair, so it's a 70% chance of success with a sewing kit that I have. And so I do this, it repairs that. I don't know how much cloth I have, but now I'm wearing that. When you repair things, it makes them better. This kind of looks like skinny jeans. It's kind of jokes. So, what's the difference between this one and this one? Protects against wind and water more than this protects wind. So I think this is better than the decent windbreaker. What I want to do is repair these sweaters though. Each time you repair something, it takes 5% off the sewing kit. So, since we repaired that, we'll repair both of them. I picked up quite a bit of cloth.
Making me feel really tired.
I'm too tired. That's annoying. Is it gonna give me insomnia? You know, it's probably all the stuff I'm carrying. I'm gonna keep this because, you know, I will drop this though. Cured leather, it's probably good to keep. The wood, it's pretty heavy. I'm out of breath. Fire log though, doesn't throw off much heat, but if you want to cook with something. An aromatic glow. I will drop the cedar wood for the heck of it. Yeah, I'm carrying a ton of stuff, but let's break down these t-shirts so I can get the cloth. Rip. Should give me multiple pieces of cloth per, I believe. We'll keep that, so I'll break this down as well. Harvesting you can do in the dark, but you need light to repair stuff. So, for example, I will set up a lantern. To place stuff, by the way, you hold right click, and then, like, you can just let go right click. You just press right click, and then you press left click to place. So I'll pick it up, and then I will equip it. I should have just equipped it first anyway. I'd light it. I'd hold right click and then left click. So now I can see, and I'll go to C because I don't want to waste all this fuel, and I will repair what I need to repair. It'll probably fail because I'm too tired. Wow, that's really nice actually. So now that I did that, I can pick it up and I can hold left click to extinguish, and I can just put that away. I don't know what a marine flare is.
I need to drop something.
I know. It's a hard knock life. But we will head... yes, we're going to head... Oh, wait. How many feet? We're going to head to the camp office next. So, I know where we're at now. The derailment is... I don't know which way this trailer's facing. Probably that way. To the train tracks, and then we'll go right at the train tracks, follow them to the camp office, and we will be just fine. I'm going to save that MRE because I'm sentimental like that. But I'm going to eat, I'm going to go to sleep, and then I will get back to you guys in the next episode. So I guess I'll see you guys then. Thanks.